traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Ricky Cadden back again with another free Wednesday stock review from Real Life Trading Australia. Hope you guys are doing absolutely sensational. Guys, I do need to give you a quick reminder. If you have not yet signed up for the free week, we do still have our swing trading floor, which is currently still open for free until the 23rd of August, which is next week on Monday. So there still are Wednesday session, Friday session, and then Monday session next week. So there's still 3 more sessions. Get involved. It is entirely free. Go to reallifetrading.com.au, click on the free week, scroll down the bottom, and RSVP. You will get, once you do RSVP, you will get given a dashboard that looks like this, and you'll have access to all the free courses which we do have available, the beginners, intermediate, advanced, and if you're a day trader, you want to learn about that too, we've got courses for that, as well as courses for kids. So make sure you guys check it out. I do look forward to seeing you tonight in the swing trading floor, 7 p.m. Brisbane time. So make sure you do get there. Be there or be a triangle. But let's talk about the broader markets, guys. I have been mentioning in the last few reviews and in the trading floor as well, that most likely we're due for about a 5 to 10% pullback in the broader markets. We have had some very interesting activity going on the SPY. What you'll notice is we did get a very nice little gap and go, which, you know, white candle gapping down. A lot of people getting trapped, gapping down below the open of yesterday's candle. You can see that we kind of just chopped around for a little bit at the start of the day, but we did end up having a nice little fail break higher, and then we ended up dropping down lower. This was an absolutely gorgeous play. If you did get to catch it on the bearish side, there still is a little bit more room to go. If you take a look at the shorter term moving averages, guys, we did come back down to the 20 EMA, which is this gorgeous little green line here. But unlike what happened back here, guys, which was just a nice little continuous trend, we are starting to get the increasing volume and volatility. So usually this is where we will start to possibly chop around sideways and then break down lower. This is what I do expect to happen, guys. I do expect a nice little gap down and possibly a continuation lower on the SPY. Here's the E-minis. All right, we are currently retesting. Makes a lot of sense. Once again, increasing volume. But I do expect us to continue possibly sideways and then have a little bit more of a dip. But here's Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, coming up to a resistance level after earnings. They did report earnings yesterday, and you can see a lot of volatility, but just a lot of price rejection, guys. Really struggling to get above 152 here. If you take a look at the daily chart, you'll notice that this is also a previous all-time high level. And also, if you are a fan of indicators, if you take a look at the RSI, we are quite extended to the upside. Now, I'm not saying we can't go higher. I'm just saying this is not where I would be buying personally. So if you take a look at the longer term moving averages, I do expect us to have some sort of pullback, possibly back down to the previous support here and or the longer term moving averages. We have been trading sideways, for almost a year now. Makes total sense. But, we'll most likely create a nice little higher low, right, which longer term is a bullish play, but I definitely think we are due for a pullback in the markets of some kind, maybe about 6 to 10% or so on Walmart. Looking really, really juicy. Here's Nflx, ticker symbol Nflx. Now this one is very, very interesting. We're starting to just kind of trade sideways, build pressure. Now if you don't know how to make money in a sideways market, email me, ricky@reallifetrading.com, and I will forward you some information and show you how to do that. Placing some non-directional trades are, the real life traders, most of their most profitable strategy out there. And Nflx going sideways right now, you do not need to guess which way the market is going to make money in the markets, guys. You can simply make money as the stock is going sideways and not even buy anything. That is right. You do not have to buy anything to make money on the stock market. If you don't know how to do that, make sure you email me. I'll leave my email in the description below. But anyway, Nflx, guys, going sideways, not looking overly bullish. We are currently gap. We did get a nice little gap down, faded higher, but what you'll notice, we're getting some lower highs and a little bit of divergence, I do believe, as well. So, yep, so we are currently getting some nice little divergence here on the Nflx at the longer term moving averages, and given where we are currently in the markets, I expect a nice little gap down and possibly a continuation back down to around the 500 level. From there, we'll see if we end up looking to bounce, but if not, if we get a fairly decent pullback, then once again we'll come back down to this 480 level, which we've bounced at before, which would be a phenomenal longer term buying location for Nflx. Here's the ASX 200, good old the ASX 200 pulling back. I did mention this was going to pull back, which I have been saying in the trading room that this is a nice time to start looking to sell. We are currently retesting. We most likely will create a lower high of some sort and then create a nice little double top and then pull back, possibly back down to the 100 simple moving average. Here is Pilbara Minerals, ticker symbol PLS. Now, guys, if you are in Pilbara Minerals, you will want to take your profits. You will want to be looking at this and saying, okay, well, you know, I think that's pretty. I think the profit train is now over. We did get this very nice bearish Harami candlestick pattern. Also, what you will notice is since May alone, we are up 126%. Guys, that is only 3 months ago, up 126%. So most likely you are profitable unless you did buy in the last 5 days, then you're probably losing money. But at this point, I do expect us to come back down to $1.40, guys. I was going to say 140 cents then, but $1.40. We've got earnings coming up just around the corner. If we do trade higher, just expect a lot of price rejection up here, and then consolidation, and then possibly a pullback. This is a very, very high level. Once again, if you are a fan of the RSI, guys, we're really, really high. Last time we were here, you can see we did get a nice little pullback of about 38%, right? If we do get another pullback from here around 38%, 38% would be roughly, okay, 150, right? Most likely we'll pull back around to this level here. 160 to 140 would be a very nice buy the dip location on PLS. So well done to all the traders who did make money on PLS, but now it is time to lock in those gains and try to buy on a dip. Here's good old West Farmers, ticker symbol WES, and this is another one you will want to look to take your profits on, guys. This right here is what they call a evening star reversal pattern. Very bearish, but very solid reversal pattern with candlesticks. So, I mean, at this point, we could go higher. We've got earnings just around the corner, but once again, if you take a look at the longer term, check out the weekly chart, guys, and look at that weekly candle. We're already finding rejection already, and this here is an inverted hammer candle. Also, what you'll notice on the weekly chart, very, very extended, and on the daily chart, you'll see here, just in the last few months, once again, since May, we've had a nice little 25% rise on West Farmers. Very profitable company. I do expect, they will eventually continue higher, but they really do need a nice pullback to these last previous all-time high levels and then retest that as a support. Here's crude oil. Now, crude oil is weak, guys. I have been mentioning this for a while, that we'll probably break this level and then slowly push down to this next level of support. If you are looking to short this, look to short this around the 20 SMA. If we do get a push higher, we will start to see some rejection around there as well on the RSI. Gold getting some price rejection right now. Cute little spinning top candle currently, but I do believe this one will start to break down. You can see we tried to close a little bit higher today. We are getting a little bit of price rejection, so I do expect this one to at least slowly but surely start to go lower. And you guys have heard me say this before, that the Aussie dollar is going lower. So for all you forex fans out there, I hope you are absolutely having diamond hands with this one, just holding those short positions, those short plays on the Aussie dollar. So well done to all the forex traders out there who have been taking this analysis and just been holding strong on this short. Very, very, very weak at the moment. If you take a look at the weekly chart, I did mention that this one most likely will come back down to the 200 simple moving average. Oh God, we're almost there, guys. We're pretty much almost there. So anyway, analysis perfectly on point. If you did short it, well done. If you didn't, that's okay. Wait to buy the dip. We'll wait and see where this one goes. And obviously, the dollar index has been slowly but surely just consolidating up here at these highs as well. Volatility index having a bit of a spike with this little bit of bearish activity in the markets, but I do expect this to have a little bit more of a higher move very, very soon. So watch out for that one. All right, guys. Once again, if you haven't yet signed up for the free week, go to reallifetrading.com.au/free week, or just reallifetrading.com.au and click the free week button. Scroll down the bottom, get RSVP'd. Make sure you be there tonight, 7 p.m. till 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's all that's left, and I only open this up twice per year. Alright guys, I'll be back on Friday with another real life stock review just for you. If you have any tickers you would like me to review for you, any stocks, any commodities, any forex pairs, I'm your man for it. Email me, Ricky at Real Life Trading. Cannot wait to hear from you, and or leave it in the comment section below. But until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. You guys rock.